I was just vibing near the bamboo Wi-Fi spot when I saw it. A dirt bike, alone, crying.
It whispered to me, "Steal me!" So I did. With honor.
The human yelled, "Hey," and threw a granola bar at me. I caught it with my foot and yelled back, "Thank you for the snack, loser."
Oh, no.
The cosmic banana peels from the rind of destiny. I become one with the two-stroke. Yeah!
Found a hill so steep it whispered, "Don't." I said, "YOLO."
They all have teeth.
Nope. That's too close, bro. You're in my personal space.
I got no beef with you, swamp dragon.
Why am I running? Because I value my legs.
Oh no. Oh no. Beef! Why are they attacking my nipples? What the few is going on with me today? Oof. What the few? Was that?
So, this is what happens when you mess with jungle physics. No more stealing. Never again. Not dirt bikes.
My butt's not a buffet.